Hey everybody, if you could please help me with finding out how to fix this map code. I have a 1 2 1 3 5 5 code. I'll show you. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 1991 Dodge Dakota with a 5.2 liter, which is a 318. I looked up the codes, and 1 2 is just the battery's been disconnected in the past 56 or 52 starts, whatever it is. And the 1 3 is map fails from start to run, I think is what it is. And I had a couple questions about the map as to what it is. I've taken off the air filter. I think the map, if you can see that right there, I think that is the map. I'm not sure. I was wondering if there's anybody else out there with a 1991 Dodge or the same model with what it is. If they can help me with this code, be greatly appreciated. As you can see there, it's a V8 5.2 liter EFI electronic fuel injection. I've reset the plugs on the map, if that is the map. Anyways, I've reset the plugs on it and they were perfectly clean. I was just wondering what I can do to fix it, or if I'm completely wrong about my diagnosis. If y'all would just please respond to this video with a couple of tips and maybe some help on how I can fix this, if I'm even looking at the right thing. I mean, there's my throttle body underneath there, the silver. That dirty looking hose is connected to the map. I'm not positive, so if you guys could give me some help, that would be great. Alright, thank you so much.